Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to always reopen specific tabs on Chrome on startup. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Now let us see that I frequently use some particular tabs. Let's say I use YouTube a lot, and let us say that I even use Instagram a lot. So these are the things that I use most of the time when I'm on my PC. So let me just choose some of the tools. Like I use Instagram a lot, and let's say that I use let's say that I use Canva a lot. So here I have these three tabs that I use almost all the times. So whenever I just open my Chrome, I just go to these particular tabs all the time. I just search for this and I'll just go into this. So instead of doing this all the time, I have a trick for you which you can use. That is, just go to this three dots on the top right corner. So here you just need to go to the settings. Inside the right side bar of this particular settings page, you can just find this option of on startup. Click on this on startup, and here you can just find on startup. We have these three options, that is open the new tab page and continue where you left off, or else open a specific page or set of pages. So you can choose this option, that this could be all the time, like even if you shut down your system. So once you open the Chrome, so it will be opening all the tabs where you have left off, or else here comes our option, that is to open a specific page or set of pages. You just need to add your browsers manually, like your pages manually. Once you click on the add page, you need to give the site URL. Let's say that I'm giving youtube.com, and we can even just give something like instagram.com. So you just need to paste your URLs of the sites that you want to be getting onto your Chrome whenever you just start your Chrome. And let's say that the other one comes out to be some canva.com. So make sure you just copy and paste them correctly. And once you're already done, and that is it. So this will be reopening like whenever you just open this Chrome. So all your tabs that you frequently use will be appearing. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.